From a young boy, I was always interested in the universe. The planet, the stars, the earth, moon. And very often when my father and I would go camping out in the wilderness, I would spend the nights lying down outside the tent, just staring up into the universe and hoping vainly that some alien would suddenly pop up and say hello. And that remained with me throughout my entire life, the mysteries of the universe. And recently, I was reading about something called the Kardashev Scale. And let me tell you, I suddenly felt so congruent with it. The topic is very futuristic, the Kardashev Scale. But it related so much to the 4 decades that I'd spent in the corporate world. So let me tell you all about this. Welcome back to the musings of an old maverick. Welcome back to the archives of my life. The Kardashev Scale. What an amazing theory I discovered. And there's a reason why I find it so amazing. Because it is so congruent to my entire experience in the 4 decades I spent in the corporate world. Right from the foothills of the mountain all the way up to the summit. So let me tell you about this, because I'm sure you'd love to also contemplate about the Kardashev Scale in your own professional life. The Kardashev Scale actually measures the progress and existence of an inhabited planet. Scale 1 is all about the planet being able to effectively utilize all its resources. In Scale 1, Earth still isn't top notch because we still have to discover how to completely utilize the solar power that's available to the planet and the wind power. Scale 2 is about the planet not only effectively utilizing all the resources that it's available with it, but also the resources that are available in its neighboring planets. For example, let's say once again the Sun, solar energy, Jupiter, the multi-gases available there, Mars for habitation, and so on and so forth. Scale 3 is even more bigger and more defined. Scale 3 is about the planet not only effectively utilizing all its resources which is available with it and those that are available in its neighboring planets, but the resources of the entire universe. Now, why am I so congruent with this entire philosophy? Futuristic though. Because when I look back at my career, I have actually experienced all the 3 stages. And I'd really like you to listen to this very carefully because it's going to be a great help to you. Stage 1 is when I started utilizing every resource that I had within me. My mind, my body, my passion, everything. I started concentrating on whatever resources I had around me to learn the line I was in, or the industry that I was in, or the work that I was doing. And I honed myself up to efficiency so that I could eventually become somebody important in the entire industry I had chosen. Stage 2 happened when I became a team lead. So now I had not only my own resources honed up, sharpened up effectively, but also started utilizing the resources that I had amongst my team, which is my own team members. And combining the resources that were available there, each human being was a resource, an intellectual, wonderful, thinking resource. That resource, me combining it, working out a powerful team for the organization's progress. Then, when I gradually moved all the way up to the chief executive officer of a large multinational organization, what was I doing there? I was not only utilizing the resources that were within me, the resources of my team, but the resources of every planet that was available in this universe of the corporate organization that I was working for. Finance, HR, sales and marketing, PR, advertising, strategic thinking, production. Utilizing each of these powerful resources to not only create amazing solutions for my clients, but literally shooting up the turnover year after year after year. Now, I'd like you to deeply think on the Kardashev scale. Where are you? And where should you finally get to with these 3 scales in place? Think. How congruent can you actually become with this entire futuristic, no doubt, thinking of the Kardashev scale and get to finally be where you've always wanted to be as a professional? This is Anand Nair signing off for now. Thank you so much for being part of the archives of my life. Have a wonderful life till we meet again very, very soon. Keep smiling.